In today's video, we did a lot of things, and I want you to join me. As you can see, we crossed a bridge. It's like a mall in El Salvador, and it was honestly our first time going there. I was really surprised of how big it was and how it was really really nice. Like when you first go to like a mall and everything like catches your attention. Just like in the US, they have like a mini so except it's called Mundo. It was honestly kind of funny because I never really thought they would have that here. So right here we were honestly looking for food, but then we saw this and then we were like kind of intrigued, and my sister's filming too. As you can see, it looks very pretty here, and it honestly looks like a dream. Now we were at the food court, and they technically have, we in the US have here, we come cafe.
Oh, no, cheers.
Like I said before, that is technically like a mini so. We didn't go inside because we were doing some other stuff. Right here, I was with family.
Una minuta mangoleada y está muy rica. ¿Te gustó? ¿Te gustó? 1 to 10. 8.
Bueno, mejor un día.
Verde. ¿Es esta vez?
Aiwaste.
Iguaste.
Aiwaste.
Iguaste.
Aiwaste.
Iguaste. Iguaste.
Un final de mi papá. Mira, tierra.
Yo lo vi primero.
No podía porque voy viendo yo aquí. Ahí está bonita entrada. Vaya aquí, ve.
Madelyn.
Vamos a ver cómo le hacen el sonido.
Creo que
A ver.
It's pretty.
Aquí estamos en la playa El Espino. So we're at the beach now. She's on the hammock while our food is coming, and we're just enjoying the view. Okay, here we got fries, and then we got pollo campestre. And then the dogs are waiting for food, but they're not getting any.
La mano solo hablando inglés.
Now we have the coconuts.
Was this hot when you came up the stairs?
I had the chunk. No se ve, pero. Hollywood está allá. Está allá. It's Hollywood ahí. This is my heart.
That's the circle. Mira mi papá.
It's big! No puedo caminar. Laughing like that, Mommy. Mira, 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 mira. There's a big wave that we're gonna jump. Mójese, bicha, mójese. I don't even think you were recording, it was paused. The water is wet. I don't know if she paused the video or the water paused it itself. You can see all the waves. The water is really salty though. Hopefully the part where I fell isn't in the video. Okay, so now I'm gonna go put my phone away because I'm praying that the water that hit the phone didn't go inside the phone, because I honestly want to go and be with my family over there and enjoy the beach. And yeah, family's enjoying. You can see coconut trees everywhere, and then all the way over there you can see like little mountains and stuff, and the water's really, really, really nice. I actually enjoy it.